everybody, welcome to the channel. I am behind my 2022 Ford Maverick Hybrid XLT, and the reason why I'm showing the bed is that I have a cargo organizer that I got from Lasfit. I have done a lot of Lasfit LED conversions, and now I want to check out this cool organizer that I got. I'll put the link above here and also in the description if you're interested in that. But I think it'll be pretty cool. I just want to see how it works. Let me see if I carefully not cut the packaging. So there we go. It does have instructions, but I think I figured it out. No. Not bad. What's that? Hey, Jonah. What? Okay. Send the organizer, insert the bottom plate, attach the center divider, attach a small divider, put on the lid. That goes got seat down here. Big pocket here. Jeremiah, what are you doing, dude? Drums? Truck. What are you doing?
Wheels.
Wheels? Okay. So the little dude's coughing, so you can flip it. Have a compartment here, have a compartment there, have a compartment there. Pretty rigid. Pens, other stuff. Here. So now, if I want to, and I also have the bed divider, I don't have it in the picture, but in my other video I had it. I can do that. Have a little compartment. And it clears. Alright, so this is in my wife's VW Atlas now. And so you can open this. This is removable little flaps. Like, keep it neat. There we go. You can stick it like that, and then you can stick this back. Voila, in there. So it's a little bit more organized. Nose coming in. Voila. This is the first aid kit. But, hi, Jeremiah. So if you're interested in this cool little organizer, I'll put the link in the description and up here. Thanks for watching. Just a quick video. Peace out, guys.